Let's see. After visiting 50 countries and more than 300 cities, the city that surprised me the most is
İstanbul!
And it's all because of this. Cats. This is the city where 17,000 people signed a petition to remember the death of a cat. This is it. This is the city where cat food, water, and homes are everywhere. It's where you'll see mosques with cats inside of them and people caring for cats for over
20 years.
In other countries, they have cat cafes, but in Istanbul, every cafe is a cat cafe. We should judge cities not based on their old buildings or hip cafes or fancy streets, but by the way they treat their most vulnerable members, the animals. And in Istanbul, they are part of the family.
That's a minute. See you tomorrow.